Come test drive the 2018 LaCrosse. The Buick LaCrosse has a quiet interior, steady and supple ride, and responsive handling. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, fog lamps, FWD, HID headlights, integrated turn signal mirrors, mini spare tires, front performance, tires, rear performance, four-wheel disc brakes. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.